Merry Christmas, YouTube. So today I'm gonna smoke a prime rib on my PB 340 that I bought on Black Friday. Haven't used it yet, been so busy. But this is a prime rib that I bought from Costco. It's 7 pounds, 6.94 and $76. So this is a good cut.
It was running for $10.99 a pound.
$10.99 a pound. We're gonna go ahead and marinate it. First, what we're gonna use, the prime rib rub. Okay, got this from Costco also. And this is the roasted garlic herb. As you remember, I used one on Thanksgiving, but it was the butter flavor. So this one's garlic. We're gonna put butter all around the prime rib and it'll make this rub stick so it won't be falling off while we're cooking it.
Costco has the best butcher. We've been to other places, but
Has a
nice marble to it.
Yep.
Nice set of fat all around.
Yeah, so we basically don't even have to cut anything off. It's pretty much cut to the way we want it.
We're not gonna tie it. We're just gonna leave it loose.
Yeah, so this is the first time, remember, cooking a prime rib on this pellet smoker that we bought. So if we make any mistakes, sorry. But this is the butter. We're gonna go ahead and put it on all over it.
It's room temperature.
Even though it's already fat, we just want to get some creamy taste to it, texture to it. So we're just going to rub it on, and it'll be easier for the rub to stick. And so you want to set your butter room temperature already, at least the day before.
Okay, so this is what the rub looks like inside. This is a pretty good seasoning, so this is it right here. Directions, ingredients. You want to pause it? Go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just drizzle it around. We don't want to put a lot, but we want to put enough to get that flavor.
Okay, so we're just gonna try to press it in. Get the excess. All right.
Okay.
So we can put that away.
So now that is a good rub right there. So now we're gonna inject it with this. This is, like I said, the roasted garlic herb. We're gonna put that in there to get the insides, a good flavor of garlic, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so this is gonna be the garlic base that's gonna go in the inside. All right, so we're gonna get basically every piece of the meat. We're gonna put it in here. You can see it pumping up. You can see the juices coming in. Oh, there you go, coming out already. So that means all that stuff is coming in.
So the syringe came with the sauce, which is a good thing. And before you insert and transfer the liquid inside the syringe, make sure you shake the bottle well. Oh, you see that go up? All right, we're about to seal it and we'll leave it for about 2 hours before smoking it. Let it sit and marinate for a little bit. Again, I think it's much better if you marinate the night before. And again, we're not tying it up. We're just gonna keep it loose. There you go.
Got the Pit Boss plugged up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and preheat it. Put the hickory wood chips in already. Filled it up. This is the wood chips that I'm using, hickory. I love the hickory flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on 300 right now. Turn it all the way up to 300. And then once it hits 300, I'm gonna drop it to 225 and then put the prime rib in. So the temperature reached 300 already. We're gonna go ahead and put it in. I dropped it down to 225. So nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put the thermometer in. So we'll here for the thermometer. Okay. Make sure you put it right in the center so it gets the biggest part of the meat. Remember that. All right, so medium well. Once it's 140, then that means it's done. All right, so let's go ahead and close this up. Go ahead and hit the timer. It's been 1 hour. Temperature is at 68. Temperature here is at 220. It goes up and down. 240 sometimes it drops down to 215, but it's, you know, consistent with around the 225 range. So let's check the hopper here. Remember, this is my first time cooking a prime rib here, and this is my first time actually using the pellet smoker. So this is 1 hour. Remember, this is a 5-pound hopper, and looks like it's a lot still full. It's gonna last a while. I'm gonna cook the whole thing on this one. Looking good. Looks real good. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. So this is 1 hour in. 1 hour in. All right. Close it up. We are 2 hours in. 93 degrees. What I'm gonna do is crank up the heat. I'm gonna put it at 250. So turn it up a little bit, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. Look, the smoke is coming out right now. There's gonna be a lot of smoke coming out. Look at this. It is gonna come out strong. I want you guys to see what the smoke looks like real quick. Look at all the smoke coming out. Now you know the pit boss is doing its job when the smoke is coming out like this, for sure. All right, smoke coming out. 95 already. It's a lot of smoke. A lot of smoke. I wanted to open it and take a look at it and show you guys real quick. And all this smoke's coming out. I don't want that to go to waste. So I'll show you in the next hour. Actually, here, let's take a look at it real quick. We are going into the 3rd hour now. We hit 118 at 250. Temp kept going up and down. Right now it's at a 295, which is not bad. You know, just give it that heat, but let's take a look at it. That prime rib. All right, let's close it up. Okay, so remember, we want the temperature at 140, but actually I think I'm gonna take it out at 135 and then wrap it up for 30 minutes, and they said that the heat will go up another 5 degrees. So that's what we'll do. 135, we'll take it out. So it's been 4.5 hours, I believe. We hit 135. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I'm gonna wrap it because they said if you wrap it up in aluminum foil for 30 minutes, it's gonna cook to extra 5 degrees. So it hit that 140 temperature that I want. This is at 250, went up to 265. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here we go. All right, the moment of truth. Wow, look at that. Look at this nice prime rib right here. Look at this, juice is flowing everywhere. Man, okay, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. And then once I take it out. We're gonna go ahead and cut it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Wow. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. We've wrapped it up. So it should have reached the 140 mark right now. All right, here we go. Take a look at this.
Oh man. Look at all that juices flow.
Look at the juices on here. So let's go ahead and cut it, see what it looks like.
Oh yeah. That is perfect.
Perfect color. Look at that.
No, for some people, if
Perfect
it's
color.
too raw, you could always fry it. The good thing about trying to get it to this temperature,
Look,
if it's too raw, you could just go ahead and put it in the fryer.
yeah, look at all these juices right here flowing. So this is it. Prime rib. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas dinner. Woohoo!
So if you like it, please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.